Hey everyone, Kevin Rosenquist here with Event Trends by Eventify. Stakeholders want proof your conference was worth it. Real numbers, not it felt successful. The problem? Most organizers are still dealing with tracking gaps that make it impossible to show who engaged and how. Modern conferences run on data, and today we're breaking down the methods, the step-by-step process, and the top 5 platforms that actually make attendance tracking work. Let's dive in. There are 10 solid methods to track conference attendance, and each one varies in cost, complexity, and the depth of data you get. Let me walk you through them. Method 1, QR code check-in. This is probably the most popular method right now. Attendees scan printed or digital QR codes for verification. It's low cost, simple to deploy, works for any event size, and gives you moderate data depth. This is best for in-person and hybrid events. Method 2, RFID badge scanning. Radio frequency chips embedded in badges track attendee movement across sessions. It's medium cost, it requires some hardware setup, but it gives you high data depth. It's perfect for in-person events where you want to see exactly where people are moving throughout the venue. Number 3, mobile app check-ins. Attendees check in and track sessions directly from their phones using your event app. This one's great for hybrid events and has a moderate cost, high scalability, and you get detailed engagement data. Method 4, facial recognition systems. AI-powered cameras verify attendee identities automatically. Cool, but this is high cost, highly technical, but excellent scalability and very deep data. This is more common at large-scale corporate or security-focused events. Number 5, NFC wristbands. Near-field communication wristbands enable tap-to-check-in tracking. It's a medium cost, very simple deployment, high data depth. These work really well for festivals or multi-day conferences. Method 6, manual check-ins. Good old tablets or laptops at entry points, handled by staff. It's low cost, simple to use, but it only gives you basic data. This still works fine for smaller events where you don't need granular insights. Number 7, Wi-Fi tracking. This monitors devices connected to your event network to track movement. It's very low cost, medium complexity, and you get moderate to high data depth. It works well for in-person and hybrid formats. Number 8, session scanning kiosks. Self-service kiosks at session entrances confirm registration without needing staff. Medium cost, moderate complexity, high data depth. Great for in-person events with multiple concurrent sessions. At number 9, Bluetooth beacons. Beacons automatically detect attendees' devices as they move throughout the venue. This is medium to high cost, but high scalability and data depth. This is best for large in-person events where you want passive tracking. Number 10, QR-enabled seats. Unique codes placed on individual seats in session rooms. Attendees then scan when they sit down. This is low cost, low complexity, works well for small to mid-sized events. So that's your toolkit. The method you choose depends on your event type, size, budget, and how deep you want your data to go. So quick framework that works across any format. Number 1, set clear objectives. Pick 3 to 5 core metrics, not everything. Number 2, match method to format. Bluetooth NFC for large events, QR for in-person, analytics for virtual, and so on. Number 3, communicate early. Tell attendees how tracking works before the event. Number 4, data privacy compliance. GDPR, opt-in consent, transparent storage. Number 5, integrate with CRM. No fragmented systems. Number 6, train your staff thoroughly. Rehearsals before going live. Number 7, test everything. Full simulation with all devices. Number 8, monitor real time. Live dashboards and allocate staff to watch. Number 9, analyze post-event. Turn that data into actionable insights. And number 10, continuous improvement. Compare year over year and refine your strategies. Now let's talk platforms. The app you choose determines how smooth everything flows from check-in to analytics. Here are the top 5. At number 1, Eventify. All-in-one platform built for speed, precision, and real-time insights. Key features include mobile app check-in for staff, volunteers, and exhibitors, QR codes and NFC-optimized check-ins, on-site badge printing, and self-service kiosks. It's best for small to large events, 300 to 5,000 attendees in all formats. And this works because it's user-friendly for both attendees and organizers with high customization and networking features like live chat and polls. Number 2, Whova. It's a leading platform used worldwide for monitoring attendance and tracking behavior at any scale. Some of the key features are mobile and QR check-ins, on-site badge printing, and reliable tracking for hybrid events. This is best for large conferences like 5,000 plus attendees, and it works because it allows personalized schedules and participant connections with built-in gamification. At number 3, Cvent, enterprise-grade tracking solution for high-volume events. Some of the key features: on-arrival self-service kiosks, real-time movement analytics, and RFID barcode session tracking. This one's best for large conferences and government summits. It works well due to its full-service capabilities from registration to post-event data. Number 4, Eventbrite, a widely renowned platform in over 180 countries. Some of the key features are its mobile app check-in with QR scanning, real-time attendance dashboards, and automatic logging. This is best for small to mid-sized conferences. The real-time analytics provide clear insights into sales and engagement. Number 5, Bizzabo. It's an event management platform that combines strong branding and engagement. Some of the key features are QR code and badge scan, check-in, session tracking, and CRM integration. This is best for mid-sized to large conferences, and it works because it allows teams to self-produce high-quality events with solid engagement data. As you can see, you've got options, but if you want the complete package, tracking that's fast, accurate, and doesn't require a PhD to set up, Eventify handles it all. Mobile app check-ins, QR and NFC support, on-site badge printing, self-service kiosks, multi-session analytics. Whether you're running a 3-person workshop or a 5,000 attendee hybrid conference, the platform works seamlessly from registration to post-event dashboards. No fragmented systems, no manual errors, just clean, actionable data. One planner named Mike put it this way: Eventify has been a fantastic partner in managing our global virtual and hybrid events. The platform is user-friendly on both ends, highly customizable, and the networking feature really kept attendees involved. And the support has been phenomenal. Bottom line, attendance tracking drives better decisions. It proves ROI, and it makes your events more profitable. But you need the right methods, a solid framework, and a platform that simplifies the process. Check out the free demo at eventify.io to see it in action. That's it for this episode of Event Trends by Eventify. Catch you on the next one.